How to transfer money from American Express to bank account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can transfer the money from the American Express to the bank account. American Express allows you to transfer your credit card balances, and there are several MX users that often ask the questions like this. So at first you have to know that an American Express card, often known as the MX card, is an electronic payment card that is issued by the American Express, a publicly traded financial service business. Now, if you would like to transfer money from your American Express card to your bank account, you have to remember that you cannot transfer the money from your American Express credit card to bank account if you have an American Express credit card, but the cash advances, which implies taking money from an ATM, may be available you. Therefore, before being eligible for a cash advance, what you can do that is you'll probably need to join the American Express membership rewards. And there are two ways to transfer the money from the American Express to a bank account. One is through online and the next one is through the phone. To transfer the money online, you have to just follow the steps. You can log into your American Express account. You can click on the Transfers tab. Then you can select the Transfers to Bank account and then enter the amount of money that you would like to transfer and the routing number and the account number of your bank account. After that, you have to review the transfer details and click on Submit. Now, if you'd like to transfer via phone, you can call the number on the back of your American Express card and speak with a customer service representative, which will be able to help you transfer money to your bank account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.